This video is for my beautiful and gorgeous dark-skinned melanin beauties. I am so tempted to start this video by singing Beyonce's Brown Skin Girl or have it playing somewhere in the background for you guys because what original melanin? Hello everybody, my name is Damilola. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, where have you been? Thank you so much and do not let this be your last time. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my people. Thank you so much. Make sure you stick around, don't go anywhere, okay? Today, I bring good tidings. I'm going to talk about affordable products for dark glowing melanin skin. I hope I put that very well. Your skin is already dark. All of us are praising your skin, that your skin is fine. I'm not happy with the fact that some of you don't like your skin tone. Why? Your skin is so beautiful. In fact, I feel like if you have a problem with it, you should reach out to me. We need to talk because what do you mean you don't like your dark skin? You don't have to do too much and your skin tone is so beautiful. This video is actually not to make you fall in love with your dark skin, but I just want to recommend products that will enhance the beauty that you already have. And this video is also not for people that will be in the comment section saying, I'm not dark before, or people that will say that, I'm dark, but I just want to be fair, small. Here is not the place. I know where you are going. You won't talk about bleaching products and you will not see it here. The kind of product you need, and all you have to do is just to focus on hydrating your skin, giving your skin a lot of moisture and exfoliating gently so that your glow can shine forth. I will get to product recommendation towards the end of this video, so please stick around. Like I said, your focus should be on hydrating your skin, making sure that your dark skin is even toned, and make sure that your skin is glowing. You can look out for products like cocoa butter, shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. Vitamin C because it's mild and it will enhance the glow that we want. Then you also want to avoid harsh products, aka bleaching products. You guys, if you've been here for a while, you already know my stance when it comes to anything that has fear, white, kiniko, and if you are just joining, I don't like them at all. So please avoid them. The fact that your skin is also dark doesn't mean that you should not do the needful or you should not do the things that you're supposed to do, and that's why I'm making this video. I want to particularly talk about the people that will just bath and go about their way. It's not nice. It's not nice. You need to use things that will make your body shine, that will make your body glow. Do you guys know there's difference between when your body is shining and when it's glowing? I'm sure you know. I find that some dark people only use petroleum jellies. That one from Vaseline or the one from Palmer's. I even know somebody that used to do that very well. Those things, petroleum jellies or ordinary body oil, will not take the place of moisturizer. It cannot do what the moisturizer is supposed to do. I'm saying this to tell you that you still need moisturizer. Petroleum jellies, body oil, body butters are supposed to be occlusives that you use on top of moisturizers. They're supposed to aid, moisturizers to shine. Not that you just have your bath, use just them and you go about your day. It does not work like that. So you will shine, but you might not glow. This video is going to be a short one, so quickly let's move into recommendation of affordable body products for you. Please take note that these products are not for your face. They are just for the rest of your body. Please listen again. These products are not for the face. They are for the rest of the body. If you need products for the face, I have loads of that on my channel. You can ask me in the comment section. I will send you the link. Again, this is for the rest of your body. Let's start with body soaps, body washes, bar soaps. I personally like body wash because some bar soaps are kind of harsh and I don't like that. I like when you have your bath and you do not feel like your skin is tight, that you do not feel like your skin has been stripped of moisture, and that's why sometimes I tilt towards recommending body washes, not shower gels. Shower gels are those ones that after using them, your body will still, you will feel like there's film on your body, like your body is not clean. You've had your bath, but you are feeling like your body is not thoroughly washed. So yeah, body washes. Think of affordable products. Think of Sentives, Dove. These products will be displayed on the screen. Olay, guys, these products are below 10,000 naira. I think only Olay is, even Olay is below 10,000 naira. I also want to talk about Naturium, but that is above 10K. So if you don't mind splurging on your products, and you can also check down. There's a particular one to pop up now. I think it's the Glow Getter, something. I've never used it, but I've heard good things about it. That it helps the skin glow. It is not enough to stop at body washes and then you move to your moisturizers. It is important to gently exfoliate your skin. You can start by doing this 3 to 4 times in a week. You can check out body scrubs from Dove, from T Earth. There are also some that you can just grab in the store and use them. I'll also put the ones I see very well that I've tried on the screen. I don't know their names offhand, but yeah, those ones too are good. I mean, they work for me. Do you people know that scrub makes a big difference? Exfoliating the body makes a big difference. That is what will take your skin there. If you are wondering where is there, that place of glow, scrub will really help you to do that, because by using it, you are gently getting rid of dead skin cells that may be on the surface of your skin. And when you get rid of that, what's the next thing? Glow that can blind, shine forth. Oh my God, you just need to have scrubs in your body care routine, just like we have for the face. It really saddens my heart that people don't take the rest of the body as serious as the face. And that's why I'm also being intentional about making videos like this that talk about other parts of the body, not just the face, because, like I said, we focus more on the face. Scrubbing your body, adding body scrubs in your routine, it will help your skin. And I recommended Dove because most of their scrubs are usually body polish, in the sense that some people's skin are very sensitive. So when you have products that have this particles in them, some are too harsh for the skin. So when you rub them on your skin, it will exfoliate, but after the exfoliation, it will now cause damage again. So that's why I recommend Dove, especially if you have a sensitive skin and you don't want something that will, scratch. Because I know how some of you have your bath, you'll be washing your body, your body as if you are scrubbing gutter. That's why I said use body polish, especially if you know you're out of that you are very aggressive when it comes to scrubbing or washing your bodies. Then after that, moisturizers. Think of affordable moisturizers. You think of Vaseline. There's even this particular one, Vaseline cocoa butter. I don't know if it's named cocoa butter, but I can't remember the name now, but I know it has cocoa butter inside. The packaging is somewhat brown. Yeah, I think it's a shade of brown. It will pop up on the screen now. That one is so good and it smells so good. There's also one from Nivea. You can also check out products that do not have cocoa butter, like Neutrogena. Neutrogena have affordable body products that will do nothing but moisturize your skin. You see Vaseline, Nivea, Palmer's, these brands have products that are dedicated for people that are dark skinned. So that's why I'm specifically mentioning them. There's also this Neutrogena products from Output here. I have personally used both and they just moisturize the skin. Especially this Hydro Boost. Chef's kiss. Then after that, you top everything up with body oil. See, all those people that will write on their package and will say it moisturizes for 48 hours. No moisturizer will give you 48 hours. Will you not even bath? Why are you waiting 48 hours before you use a moisturizer? Don't bank on them more. Top everything up, seal it up with body oil. Then you now watch how you glow. If you are consistent with this, say 3 to 4 months, and you do not see a difference, then you need to reach out to me. We need to talk because something has to be done. Something must be done about it. I have a video where I spoke about body oils for all skin tones, so it will pop up now. I spoke about 5 to 6, so please make sure you watch it and pick any one that is within your budget. Everything is affordable, they are all budget friendly, but budget friendly also differs from budget friendly, so check that video out to make your choice. let me just end this video by saying that when I see dark-skinned people, that their skin tone is dark, and you can tell that they are diligent with their skincare routine, and they now top everything up with oil. Whoosh. Do you know how it makes me feel? Sometimes I want to call them and say, take my card, go and spend the remaining 2K in my account, because what is so beautiful and I love to see it. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me today again. Don't worry if your skin tone is not dark. Damilola did for you. I'm going to make other videos for other skin tones, so make sure you look out for that. My caramel and light skinned girls and boys, do like this and do like this. Yours is coming. Thank you for hanging out with me again today, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Some of you are watching and are not subscribing. What do I do to make you subscribe? Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you turn on your post notification. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please share if you can. I will see you in my next video. Be consistent with your skincare routine and be kind to your skin. Be gentle. It will work. Just give it time. It will work. I love you. Bye.